Hello and welcome to Beyond Borders Briefing, where we bring you the most important and interesting news from around the world. I'm your host, and today we have a shocking story from the UK, where a nurse has been found guilty of murdering 7 babies and attempting to kill 6 more at a hospital neonatal unit. Lucy Letby, 33 years old, was convicted at Manchester Crown Court of what prosecutors called the persistent, calculated and cold-blooded murders of premature infants, making her the UK's most prolific child serial killer of modern times. Letby injected babies with air, force-fed others milk and poisoned 2 of the infants with insulin. She carried out the killings between June 2015 and June 2016 at the Countess of Chester Hospital in England, where she worked as a neonatal nurse. The court heard that Letby had a malevolent presence on the ward and that she left a post-it note that read, "I killed them on purpose because I'm not good enough to care for them," in her locker. She'd also searched online for terms such as how long does it take to die from air embolism and how to kill someone with insulin before committing the crimes. The trial lasted for 14 weeks and involved more than 100 witnesses and experts. The jury deliberated for 10 days before reaching their verdicts. Letby was found guilty on 7 counts of murder and 6 counts of attempted murder. She was also cleared of 2 counts of attempted murder. She showed no emotion as the verdicts were read out, while some of the bereaved parents gasped and wept in the public gallery. The judge, Mr. Justice Dove, told Letby that she would be sentenced on Monday and that she faced life imprisonment with a minimum term of 30 years. He said, "You have been convicted by this jury of some of the most heinous crimes that any individual can commit. You have betrayed the trust placed in you by parents who entrusted their precious babies to your care. You have abused your position as a nurse and you have abused your knowledge and skills as a nurse to end their lives." The families of the victims have expressed their extreme hurt, anger and distress and called for a public inquiry into how Letby was able to continue working at the hospital despite repeated warnings from senior doctors and staff. The UK government has announced that it will launch an independent investigation into the deaths. This is a tragic and horrifying case that has shocked the nation and raised serious questions about the safety and regulation of neonatal care in the UK. We will keep you updated on any further developments as they happen. Thank you for watching Beyond Borders Briefing. Please like, share and subscribe for more news from around the world.